Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the full process of how to add Emirates Skywards miles after your flight. First, open your browser and go to the official Emirates website. Make sure you are on the correct site to protect your personal information. Once the page loads, log into your Emirates account. After you log in, you will see the main menu at the top of the page. Look at the top menu and find the option called Loyalty. Click on it and a drop-down list will appear. From that list, select Claim Miles. When you click it, a new page will open. On this page, you will see information about claiming missing miles. You will also see another button that says Claim Miles. Click on it again and you will be taken to the form you need to fill out. Now you will see three main fields. The first field is for your ticket number. The second field is for your booking reference. The third field is for the passenger name. Enter each detail carefully and make sure everything matches exactly as it appears on your booking information. After entering all the required information, review it one more time. When you are sure everything is correct, submit the form. Emirates will then check the details with their records. If the information matches perfectly, your Skywards miles will be added to your account instantly. Remember that as an Emirates Skywards member, you can claim miles within 6 months of flying on a qualifying Emirates flight. Thanks for watching.